Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Michael. You're helping Maestro. What will you learn in this video? After configuring the following information in the Windows Server 2008 R2. Change or configure date and time. Assign or configure static Internet protocol. Enable remote desktop services. Change computer name. You can now install the following by adding roles in the Windows Server. Install NetFramework 3.5.1. Install Active Directory Domain Services. If you're new here, now's a great time to subscribe. Log in to Windows Server R2 using administrator password. In the initial configuration task form, click Add Roles. The Add Rules wizard form appear. Click Next. Check Active Directory Domain Services. Click Add Required Features to install Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5.1. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Windows Server is now installing Net Framework and Active Directory Domain Services. Net Framework 3.5.1 and Active Directory Domain Services were installed successfully. Click Close button to close Add Rules wizard form. That's it, we're done. You can now install DNS Server that will be shown in my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe.